Hi, what's up guys? This is DJ coming at you with another video. And in this video I want to show you how to make a tri-layered clip that's a short. I've been making a lot of these lately for my social media. I kind of like the look and the aesthetic, and as you guys know, for a lot of my shorts I always just flip it 90 degrees just to get it so you can see the entire frame. But it is one way to kind of set it up so you can see as many clips as possible in the shortest period of time as possible, and also be able to fill that frame up. So the first thing you want to do is layer up your clips, and I've seen a couple ways of doing this. I've seen people come in and then do a compound clip, which I try to stay away from that in some situations, this one being it, because when I want to get rid of this footage I don't want to have to worry about that too much. But I'm just gonna do it with me, working out here. The first thing you want to do is just go to the clip you want to move, and then I'm gonna use the one at the top, for example, and then you just go up to the top, and then you move it. You move it on the y-axis to move it upward. That's the first thing you do. And the one thing I've noticed in my experience is the one at the top is typically there's going to be some space in between here. So what I do is I just make it a little bigger. It's a science, but it's not an exact science. And then I go to this third clip at the bottom, which there's two of them here. And then I kind of go on the y-axis again and then move it downward. And same thing, move to the middle a little bit, and then kind of zoom it in. And on the playback, I want you guys to get a general idea of what I'm trying to do here, but play it back and just go from there. Since I have the music going on all of them, I turn the music off of all but one clip, and I'm just going to use the top clip for reference. Okay, and that's pretty much it. And when I play back the video, this is what you see. Let you guys hear it. I have it in my headphones. And then you have a perfect, well, not perfect, but nearly perfect tri-layered clip. And you can show as many frames as possible. That's what I'm about around here, is just kind of showing the content and kind of doing it in a very creative way. So if you guys enjoy the content, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace.